Alright guys, what is up? I'm with my boy Leo, and we're back with another Nissan video. But first, before we do anything on the car, you see this big old fucking mess, just a bunch of bullshit everywhere. Well, yeah, my boy Leo's gonna do some tidy upping, and we're gonna make some more space for so we can fuck around more on the car. And I don't know, it just feels good to just have a nice clean space. So we're gonna clean all this up and we're gonna be back. So yeah, just watch, guys. It's dirty now. And kind of cleaned. I don't know if you guys saw this before, but this was all piled up and a lot of sweeping was done. But it is way cleaner than before. Big difference. What's going on now, Leo?
I'm gonna put the mount on so it's dragging.
Alright. You gonna switch over this heavy ass trans?
Yeah.
Hey, just convert the car to a all-wheel drive automatic. Fuck it.
Fuck no. Too much work.
Bro, think about it. All-wheel drive. It would be like a mini fucking Evo. Skyline. It's gonna be like a GTR, bro. Turbo and all-wheel drive.
They already made the Pulsar.
Fuck the Pulsar.
Huh?
Fuck the Pulsar. It's gonna be the USDM version.
Yeah. And she got ass, and she gon' fuck up a bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast.
Shit, my boy, we bumping.
Oh fuck, you know what I need?
What?
A clutch lining tool.
Alright guys, so right now we're gonna head to Lowe's. My boy needs a 27mm socket, and we're also gonna grab my pressure washer from my house, and my boy is gonna hose down this transmission, and we're gonna swap it over to the other motor, hopefully. And yeah, we're gonna get everything nice and cleaned, and we'll be right back. Just gotta make some pit stops, probably get a Polar Pop, you know, a cold one for the boys. And yeah, we're gonna continue this. And my boy clogging up her holes or what?
Yeah.
So dragging this heavy ass motor, this wheel is legit burning out. Look at that. That shit was legit one wheel peeling. So we gotta legit move this shit with 2 jacks. It's a big girl.
Jack it up more? There, go.
Yeah, my boy. Looks a lot better.
A little cleaner.
Hey, you can see the injectors on the fuel rail now. Hey, that's stock?
Yeah.
It's pretty badass. Little subtle touch. Bro, this transmission is fucking gigantic.
Yeah, I know.
Dude, fuck it. Don't even paint the valve cover, bro. That looks nice, clean.
Just like that?
Nah, paint it neochrome like that. Or is that too much?
It's too much. I'm gonna change over my alternator.
Alright guys, we dragged back the motor back in the backyard. Shit's heavy as hell, and now we're gonna attempt to get this humongous transmission off, because this is it's an all-wheel drive transmission off like an Avenir. So yeah, not looking forward to this. Shit looks like a bitch, but we're gonna get it off, and then we're gonna swap over the transmissions, and everything should be good. Hey, my boy, you been hitting the gym?
No. I'm gonna get another extension.
Look how bullshit these bolts are, guys. Shit's hiding way in there, from way out here. My boy couldn't even take it off with the power tool. They're on there. Dang, you doubling up the extensions?
Oh, this is the starter.
Bro, all these bolts?
Still can't come out.
What the fuck, dude? You just taking off everything you find, or what?
Yeah.
Bro, this shit. Is it even loose yet or no?
I tried sliding them out.
Look at all this bullshit, guys. It's a lot of hoopla.
So is this the same as like?
Oh, this is my first ever gripping out fucking four-wheel drive.
Alright guys, so the transmission does not want to rip out, as you can tell. Some fucking, that's some hacked ass shit going on. Like the motor's literally, I've never seen a motor get picked up like this, but the transmission is facing down. Leo thinks he took off every bolt, but that shit's not coming off.
I don't see any more bolts.
Dog, there's another bolt or something somewhere. Fucking stud or some shit.
The starters you use. I don't see any more bolts.
Alright guys, it is the next day. Back at it on the transmission. So my boy needed one of my e-sockets because I have a fucking Euro douche car. So I have a lot of e-sockets on deck. But anyways, we think you have to take off that little like bracket shit right there. My boy took out the stud, but now he has to take off the fucking power steering because it's in the way. So a lot of hoopla going on. I think we're getting somewhere though, so hopefully guys. This is a lot of bullshit though. Fucking like, yeah, there's not gonna be a video on removing a fucking automatic all-wheel drive fucking transmission off a fucking what's it called, the Avenir. Yeah, so this is all going off like no knowledge. So yeah. Alright, what is good guys? This video has been over the course of like 3 days, but my boy Leo has done hella progress. So to begin, there's a bitch ass torque converter. That's not the transmission. Let's go over here. So remember that transmission? Yeah, that big old piece of shit. Just look how, that's literally like half the motor, guys. Like, it's probably just as heavy. That shit's... So first my boy had to take off the transfer case, and then he was able to take off the trans, and then the torque converter. But now my boy is stuck again because why?
Fire pushing. Automatic.
Yeah, so my boy has to take out the pilot bushing because it's an automatic, and then he's gonna be able to throw on the trans over there. So It has both motors straight chilling, but at least the trans is off. So when I go AutoZone, get that tool, and hopefully we'll be able to slap on the transmission right there. Just to put on the clutch and shit, but hell yeah, bro. Just that little bitch ass bushing. Like, let's go.
Let's go.
Bro, there's so much extra shit going on. See that turbo? And you got all this. Over here, nothing.
Again?
Oh, sorry, bro. I can't help it. That's why if you ever have like a nice Wi-Fi connection. Alright guys, so that pilot bushing my boy saw on the forum, and one of his friends told him that you could just leave it on there because
I think he's a subscriber.
he's a subscriber?
Yeah.
Alright, so if you're a subscriber, if you're talking to Leo, shout out to you. But yeah, like the pilot bushing and the automatics, they're not like the manual ones, they're like flat at the end. Like they're like the tool you got at AutoZone, he actually broke that shit because they're for like manual ones and the automatic ones are more of a bitch. But I guess you could leave them in there, so my boy's gonna try that out. But the trans is bolted up, and right now my boy's working on the whole wiring harness. Yeah, so that's that, guys. My boy has to order a few things like the intercooler and intercooler piping. I'm not sure when that's coming in, but he's also gonna buy some energy bushings for the mounts. And anything else?
As of now, no. I'm good at tuned.
Oh yeah, and they did give him an ECU, but we're not sure if that's gonna work. So you might have to get the ECU retuned, especially if he adds anything like a actuator to boost up the PSI or anything else.
Oh, I was thinking of that.
It's a pot.
The HKS actuator. Is it boost me?
It's gonna up the stock 9 PSI to 12 to 14 PSI. So that's a possibility. So if he does do any mods like injectors, whatever he does, he's gonna have to get like a base map set for it. So yeah, that's that. But tomorrow, I'm actually gonna go with my boys. Gonna pick up a roll bar for the EF. So that's. Ooh.
What?
Let me get off this. But yeah, my boy is gonna buy a roll bar for the hatch tomorrow. So that's gonna be exciting. Might do a video on picking it up. But tomorrow, guys, it is David's birthday. So I do plan on uploading the video Friday. So today when you guys are watching it, it is David's birthday. Go wish my boy a happy birthday. My boy likes toe pics. He also likes nudes. But mostly toe pics. So if you guys have some like nice toes, just feel free to DM him to my boy. His is right here, G37 David. So go wish my boy a happy birthday. He's turning 20. So yeah, my boy's still a youngin', but that's gonna wrap up the video, guys. So yeah, trans got swapped, and if anybody wants SR20DE long block, hit up my boy. Well, anyways, hit up my boy if you want the SR20DE. He'll probably sell it to you for a suck up. But anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like if you did, subscribe if you're new. And not sure what the next video is gonna be. I might be on the roll bar. But yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. You got anything to say, my boy?
What?